Since I didn't do a 30 subscriber special, let's do Cannonball. By the way, Cat Jenna, if you see this video, I know you haven't been watching my channel. Actually, I know you've been watching my channel. Why haven't you subbed? Something with you, Carter. Fortune. I have no clue where you live. Oh wait, no, why am I transforming him? Articulation goes first. Or accessories, I don't know. He comes with the Cyberplanet key and 2 weapons that go here. By the way, I must add that this is the second take with this video. Hold on, I'm going to put the phone down really quickly. On my first video, my first ever review on this channel, which was the one for this idiot, I'm using my iPhone, yes, but I don't have a stand. And so that's how the hammer plugs in. And then there's a little port here. Voila. And the cyber key plugs in here. And these cannons flare up. It's articulation time. I'm gonna do it with this on. This is kind of like an ankle swivel. Like a wrist swivel. That doesn't really work. Instead, you can do that. This here rotates, but it's very hard to grip. Only go so far before popping off, because some of the drones are really stiff. It doesn't help that he looks like he'll break any minute. Look up that far, can't look down. Full 360. Here's those trigger happy hot rod shoulders. These can also become jetpacks. Here's an actual this rotation. And this can go that far out, so you can sit. Splits. Cool pose. Knee. Ankle tilt. That's the articulation. Everything fell off. Now, weapon storage. This one there. On the back of his feet. I mainly use the back of the feet for the ultimate. It's transformation time. I'm not speaking for this because my throat's really sore. Whoa, Jenna, Cat Jenna, I know you've been watching my videos. How are you? And why aren't you subbed? Um, and so those knee pads should fly out, and this connects to there. Oh, and I've done it pretty good, pretty good. I don't know why I struggled so much. I had that too much. I've been storing on the Venmo, so and, pretty good. Part is this my review on I guess the United Cannibal. Like, subscribe. Goodbye.